Welcome to her Design Diaries. I am Ruchi, and here you will find beginner friendly edits, movie reviews, and honestly, just everything that I adore. It's my little digital diary, and you're officially part of it now.
Today in my digital diary, we're creating something super fun, your very own animated character, right from your phone using only free tools.
First, open the Adobe Express app on your phone. Don't worry, it's totally free to use. Now, tap on Create Animated Character from the home page. This will open up the animation tool. You'll see a bunch of fun characters. Scroll through and pick your favorite one to bring to life. Next, choose a background from the available options. Want something custom? You can even upload one directly from your phone's gallery. Now for the magic, upload your voice from your files. This will automatically animate your character to match your audio. Before saving, you can even preview your animated video to make sure everything looks perfect.
If you enjoyed creating with me today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Her Design Diary for more easy design hacks, creative tutorials, and beginner-friendly tips. Until next time, keep creating and keep exploring.